can see him. Alright, you're good, you're good. That's why. We good? Alright. DJ Tyberius. In 3, 2, 1, drop it. Yo, I couldn't say it no better. I like remember, you guys, this is a battle, so one day. Into the intro, the quantum begins so smooth. So push the panic button, act like a frantic nothing. We're just vibing out together here today, you guys. It's not that serious. Let's go. Yo, I couldn't say it no better. I like it. We got a glitch in the matrix, let's go! The tempo, the into the intro, the quantum begins so slow. That's what I do with the tempo, the into the intro, the quantum begins so smooth. So push the panic button, act like a frantic nothing. Another alley, they ain't step together. Moving up shelter, wanna find shelter. I felt the sun much, where my beat began, the God was big. If I had no pen, because without a pen, I'd be without a sensations first, to turn it out again. So come. It's like... That's what I do with the tempo, the into the intro, the quantum begins so smooth. Yeah, I got to push the panic button, act like a frantic nothing. Another hour, put it, dance, step together, moving up shelter, wanna find shelter. I felt the sun much, when my beat began, the God was big. If I had no pen, because without a pen, I'd be without a sensation first, to turn it out again. Yeah. Hurry. Here we go, round 2. Yeah! I've been wanting this track. Sometimes we gotta remind ourselves that we're here to have some fun, right? Everybody, we're here to have some fun, right? Yeah! All right. It doesn't matter what we think, man. Let's do this. Here we go. Judges, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, drip. Remember, you guys, we throw these events out here for love, man. We do this for the love out here. All right. We're gonna go into finals in just a sec here. Let's give you guys about 10 minutes or so, yeah? Here we go.